Hi viewers, it's me, Wei Ming from Mingwei. Thank you very much for dropping by and welcome to my channel. As promised, after repair my SJRC F11S 4K Pro version 2, okay, this is version 2, I would like to fly this drone and show you the capability of this drone. This is a very powerful drone and it's a big drone. Its weight, I've checked already, is 585 grams if I'm not wrong. Okay, it is a heavy drone. It's a big one. Yeah, let me just do the calibration because it's been sitting inside the box for too long already. Let me do the necessary calibration, and the first mission for this drone is to fly over to the construction site, as I have been doing quite often, and hopefully you will enjoy watching the video. Okay, it's already connected, and the calibration. Okay, let's do the compass calibration first. Pick it up. Okay, calibration is done. Compass calibration is done. And gyro calibration as well. Okay, I think it's good to fly now. Okay, now let's see. I want to record it now. Video. Okay, starts to record. Okay, now I have 17 satellites and it's ready to fly. So let's fly. As usual, I will fly the drone close to the tripod's camera. A bit noisy, but it is a very stable drone. It is very stable. It advertises wind resistance at level 6, which is stronger, greater than the DJI mini series. But okay, let me go to zoom out. Okay, closer. Is a very stable drone. Yep, okay, so let's fly over to the construction site now. Let's go. Bring up the drone. And bring down the camera, and here we go. Fly higher just to be on the safe side. Now let me see, how shall I change to, never mind, just fly. Okay. Go up higher. I think the construction site is about to be complete by now. There you go, the construction site is on the left side of the screen now. Let me turn a little bit to my, left. There you go. Yeah, it looks like almost complete. Let's go further up. The name of this complex is called Bukit, if I can recall properly. Let's bring down the gimbal. And I will fly sideways from here. Using my left stick to do the necessary angling. On my right is Seremban Highway, where this highway will bring me all the way to Singapore. Yep. Now, I wanted to, I think it's zoom in already now. Let me just try zoom out. No, it's zoom. It's not zoom in, sorry. It's zoom out. Okay, let me reverse a little. And go to my right. I have to agree that this, the control is not as smooth as DJI, but the FPV is really very good. FPV fit very good. Very strong signal. And then this is how it looks like now. And Michael, if you are there, okay, as I promised, the update of the construction site. I guess it is going to be complete soon. Maybe they are waiting for maybe some certification. That's about all, I guess, and some minor ratification, I believe. Okay, now let me have to go over to the other side to make sure that I'm facing directly to the drone. Yeah, okay. Okay, it is RTH now. The drone is coming back now. And it is coming back very fast. Yes, I can see the drone already. Let me put a halt, stop, and I'll continue flying the drone. Normal mode, sport mode, camera mode. Let me fly slowly now. Okay, it is on camera mode now. As usual, normally what I'll do is upon coming back here, I will show you around Kuala Lumpur. Today is 30th of May 2026, second last day of the month. Let me turn over to my left. Slow turn. One thing good about this recording is in 4K. Okay, but I'm not too sure after editing it might be 1080p. I have not do any editing before with this drone. I mean this drone's footage. Let us I'll check it out later. Okay, let me fly around. Maybe what I'll do is I'll try to fly over to the construction site again for the second time, and let's do it. Okay, the construction site is right in front of me now, in front of the drone I mean. We'll do it slowly. We will do it from 60 over meters altitude. Let's bring down the gimbal a little. There you are. Okay, now let me just again move to row to my right. Row to my right. Slow one. And I hope I can give cinematic move. Again. This on RTH. It's coming back again. I'm so sorry because I used to have problem with the that particular area too most of the time. Only the DJI Mini 2SE can fly very well over there. There's a lot of interference over there going on. I do not know why. Okay. Anyway, let's continue. I stop RTH, and this time I'll bring you around here to my right. Yeah, I used to have a lot of interference at that corner. I do not know why. I've tried several different drones before. I've tried C-Fly. I've tried the even DJI Mini Mavic Mini. I've tried before over there, but Mavic Mini I couldn't complain because Mavic Mini is using enhanced Wi-Fi, so the reception is not as good as this, not as good as Mini 2SE as well, because Mini 2SE is using OcuSync O2, I guess. Alright, okay. So yeah, that's the lake over there that I used to fly quite often. And okay, to my right. Now, I think there's a bit of lag on the FPV. Let's bring up the drone higher. Hopefully when I bring it higher, normally it gives better reception. Okay, I'm already at 95 meters. Okay, before we end the video, this is the construction site now. This is how it looks like. And yep, just go over to the top of the construction site. Yep, it is better, the reception. There you go. I try to make myself right on top of the complex. Yeah, I think I'm right on top of the complex now. And I'll yaw to my left. It's a beautiful complex, I hope. When it's completed, I hope it's going to be beautiful. I understand there are hundreds of shops over there. The triangle complex, as I used to call it last time. Now I know it is called Bukit Business Park, I guess. To my right again. Reverse a little. Okay, reverse a little. There you go. Okay, the beautiful complex. Yeah. Okay. Roll to my right. Yeah, it's time to bring back the drone. It's on RTH again. Okay. I will have to end up the construction site visit this time from over here. But at least I did the update. At least you can see the construction, how it looks like now. Okay, bring up the gimbal. Okay. It's coming back now. Okay, you can see the drone. And I will bring down the drone. Yeah, battery is low. So, okay. It is coming down now. Coming down very fast. 1.5 meters per second. Battery is low. I don't want to take the risk. I have to bring it down quickly. But I have to say the drone is really powerful. It's really very powerful. Okay. Okay. Drone is back. As usual, I will fly the drone close to the tripod before I land the drone. Okay, the drone is coming from the left side of the screen. Okay, here it comes. Yeah, the battery is low, very low. As you can see, the light on the rear arm shows red color. Okay, so it is in very low power now. Okay, before I land, let me just show you the stability of the drone in front of the tripod. And I'll land the drone over here. Further. Yeah, it's sometimes very bouncy, that's why I have to do it slowly. Okay, smooth landing, very good. So it stops. Okay, there you go, the beautiful SJRC F11S 4K Pro version 2. There are many variants, especially with this particular F11 model. I guess if I'm not wrong, there are 7 different variants. Maybe on my next video, I can explain to you one by one the differences, maybe, if I may. And mine is happen to be the F11S 4K Pro version 2 variant. Okay, yeah. For those of you new to my channel, and if you like this kind of content, I hope you will consider subscribe to my channel. And if you find this video is interesting, do give me a thumbs up. Okay, that's very important to me, as I've mentioned many times, because with your thumbs up, then only my small channel will grow. Okay, before that, let me just turn off the recording before I forget. Yeah, it's turned off already. Yeah, and then once again, thank you so much. Do take care always, and I'll see you on the next one. My beautiful SJRC F11S 4K Pro version 2. Been keeping in the box for years already, after repairing it. Some minor repair actually on the remote controller, and it flies very good now. Thank you so much. Bye bye.